Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we already officially filed the car insurance claim. They got an estimate. We got an estimate of about $500. Now that doesn't include the windshield. That was just for the dents, or not the dents, but the chip over there on the door side. With that being said, we're pretty much gonna fix the car and then send our car insurance the big invoice, and then they'll go ahead and cover that. So today, we're actually gonna be removing this wrap and seeing any damage to the paint and inspecting it and whatnot. And we're gonna have it freaking vacuumed and everything and remove all the glass from the Nissan Z so that we can prepare to install the brand new window on Monday. Now this is all gonna be done at Royal Detail. If you haven't, give them a follow. Give them a follow, man. He's such an awesome guy and does awesome work. He ceramic coated my entire Z. Let's get that cold start. Pretty much broke into here and left all the glass inside my seat. I'm hoping that there's not a lot of damage and just hopefully clean up damage. Bunch of glass on the doormats, glass here, glass over there. There was glass in my seat, but I vacuumed it because I had to drive this car. And then they ripped out my Amazon LED lights, man. Bummer. Now I'll have to install this again or buy a new one. And yeah, thank God they also, I shouldn't be grabbing this, but my airlift controller's still there. Awesome. So now I gotta drive with my window down, which sucks, man. And there's a lot of wind noise. But we're arriving to the shop right now. This is a steep ass hill. Alright guys, we just got done. Huge shout out to my brother over at Sacramento Royal Detail. Check them out if you guys need any detailing, but he did a freaking awesome job. The car is absolutely clean, glass free. Check it out, looks like nothing even happened, bro. Awesome job. So I did end up reordering my freaking ambient lighting from the footwell because they did mess it up. So we went ahead and reordered that. And also there's still some glass in the door panel, but we're gonna go ahead and clean that up once they actually replace the window, because if he does vacuum it right now, when Sac City replaces the window, he's gonna have to remove the window that's on there right now, and it's gonna be broken and more windows gonna fall off. Those who are new to the channel or want to know a little bit about the Z, man, the Z is freaking darn quick considering the stock, bro. Considering stock. It's way faster than a 350Z. I've never driven a 370Z, but it's way faster than a 370Z. And the reason I know is because I've raced some in my supercharged G35 and I've beat them with ease. I've beat tuned G37s and tuned 370Zs with my boosted G35, and my Z is right there with my G35, like even. Look, it just spin right there. Nissan Z from my brother's shop, where he pretty much where we installed the wrap and where we freaking ceramic coated it, everything, removed the wrap. But you guys can see the Z is completely stripped from the door panel. That is because The window was supposed to arrive Monday or today, Tuesday, but it didn't. And so they said that it's gonna arrive probably either later this week or early next week. So I'm just gonna take the Z home, store it in the garage, and then wait for the window to arrive. I was gonna try to remove that metal frame. As you can see, it's already unbolted. I was trying to remove it, but it's freaking riveted on. That frame, that's very similar to the G35s, very similar to the 350Zs, the 370s, everything. Except this one is actually riveted on to the window rails. So I'm interested to see how freaking Sac City is gonna remove that. Nissan is known for simplicity, man. What's going on? But yeah, so we're just gonna wait till the window arrives, and then we'll go ahead and take that, man. But for now, we're driving the G35, and we're gonna store the Z or something like that. I think that's what it is. It's probably letting you know, hey, there's some sensors that are disconnected or something, like, hey, make sure. So that's what that's for. And then because of that, that gets deactivated, or I don't even know what that is. It's like some kind of sensor. And then something else is that there's actually right here, there's a camera. There's a camera on the Nissan Z. I have to go to Nissan and see how I can activate it. I'm pretty sure it's like some kind of dash cam or something that you can activate with some kind of service. But yeah, that I want to know how I can go ahead and activate that, because I need that, bro. Someone just broke into my damn car. All right, guys, we're officially back home. I left these are the door, like where you step when you get in the door. I left them off because I'm installing the ambient lighting again. So I ordered them, and we should be installing those. Anyways, guys, on that bombshell, I'll catch you guys next episode with another update. Hopefully we'll have the full window replaced on the Z. I'll catch you guys next episode. Make sure to get yourselves a dash cam, bro. Why does this happen, man? But I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace.